Is Google Cloud really free? Or will you start paying without knowing? Many beginners feel confused about this. Let's understand the truth in the simplest way. Today we will answer an important question. Is Google Cloud free? The simple answer is this. Google Cloud is not completely free, but you get free tier and free trial credits. These help you to use many services without paying money at the beginning. What is Google Cloud? Google Cloud is a platform that gives you powerful computer resources through the internet. Instead of buying your own servers, you can use Google's computers to run websites, store data, build applications, analyze information. Everything runs online inside Google's data centers. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing means using computing services over the internet instead of owning physical machines. These services include servers, storage, databases, and networking. Companies and developers use these services whenever needed. Now the main question is Google Cloud completely free? Google Cloud is not completely free. Google Cloud follows a pay-as-you-go model. Pay-as-you-go means you pay only for what you use. For example, run a server for few hours. Pay only for those hours. Store files. Pay only for storage used. But Google gives two ways to use services for free. Free option 1. Free trial credits. When you create a new Google Cloud account, you receive free trial credits. Free trial credits allow you to try many services without using your own money. These credits are temporary and available for a limited time. Now we will see the real life example. Imagine you want to build a website. You create a Google Cloud account and receive free credits. You can create server, upload your website and test your application. All this happens without paying real money until credits are used. Free option 2 is free tier. Google Cloud also provides a free tier. Free tier allows limited usage of some services every month without cost. Free usage continues even after the trial ends, as long as you stay within limits. Examples of free tiers are small virtual machines, limited cloud storage, and small database usage. What is a virtual machine? A virtual machine is a computer running inside the cloud. You can start the machine, stop the machine, and install software. This machine works like a normal computer but runs inside the Google's data center. Now we will see the real life example of free tier. Imagine you are a student learning cloud computing. You create a small virtual machine using a free tier. You use that machine to learn programming, test applications, host small projects. As long as usage stays within limits, no payment is required. When do you start paying? You start paying only when usage goes beyond free tier limits. You use services which are not included in the free plan. At that point, charges follow the pay as you go model. Why Google provides free resources? Google provides free resources because students can learn cloud computing, developers can experiment, businesses can test services. This helps more people become familiar with the platform. Who can benefit from free tier? Free tier is useful for students learning cloud technology, developers testing applications, beginners practicing cloud skills, startup building small projects. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.